So guys, what is up? Today I got a video where I'm in this area. I don't need that much cash out. Come on, get through. This is crazy. Anyway, I've got to take people's orders. I'm gonna get sacked. Sacked in the morning. You're getting sacked in the morning. Sacked in the morning. You're getting sacked in. Hey. Whoa, I'll talk to you. Git. Only guaranteed to be delicious. You want sausage pizza? There's this sausage pizza, mate. Now you can go home and enjoy. Or you could eat it there. One or two. I'm gonna go to people and say poo poo. No, I'm not. I'm gonna say this is funny. What do you want? What do you want? Oh my god. I'll take your order. Oh, what does she want? Ow. Give me pizza. You want pizza? I'll give you pizza. I'm not giving you cheese pizza. Yeah, she wants it. There you go. You have your pizza. Wait, I'm gonna write something. I don't know. Wait. Where do I go? What would you like to eat? Wait a minute, I'll move. Now, what do you want? Want cheapy? Whoa! I'll give it you anyway! Jeez! I can understand, if I didn't give her what she wanted, she would have a meltdown. No. May I take? Wait, I feel like messing around here. What do you want? Give me a fine then. Oh, thanks. Well done for pleasing our food. Thanks. Wait. Oh, you want pepperoni? Oh, we need some cheese pizza. How have you? She wants some cheese pizza. Whoa! People need to calm down. I didn't mean that. I thought she said cheese. Welcome, what would you like? Hello, we're gonna have cheese pizza. Of course you can, I'm not that. Why can't you have it? Oh, what would you like? Would you like to? Would like, yeah. What? Oh, her out. Hey! I'm in a bit. Hey. I'm going now. I need to talk to other people with better things than doing that. What? It ain't not going to be on that soon. You're feeling badly. I'll leave you to do your job. Gat. Did he just push me? No, I pushed myself into a one. Forced me to push myself into a boxer tutorial. Stop. So what did he do? Put the pizza in the box. We're gonna walk over, get the pizza, pull it in, close the lid. Pizza delivery! Mercy! I don't know why I said that, but I need another box. Hey! There we go. Are we done to deliver? I'm going home now. Bye. Never actually seen the outdoor. Oh, get me out of here. I'm a pizza man. Get me out of here. What's this? I'll not be a good car driver. Just ran into that. Where do I go? I want to go into someone's house. Oh, I remember that area. I used to play Roblox. I went off it. I remember going in that area. Oh, there's my house. Oh, after all. I'll draw next to my house there. There we go. Woo! What? Don't want to go in the car. No. Ow. Get out. I don't want to. Don't like that car anymore. Let's go in the house. Hey, I'm on break.